Ready to start your e-commerce journey? In this video, I'll show you how to create your very own Shopify account in just a few minutes. It's easier than you think. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Creating your Shopify account is the first exciting step toward building your online business, and I'll guide you through the simple sign-up process. First, head to shopify.com. Look for the Start Free Trial button. It's usually prominent on their homepage. Clicking this begins your journey. You'll be asked to enter some basic information, your email address, a password for your new account, and perhaps most importantly, your store name. Don't worry too much about the perfect store name right now. You can always change it later as your brand evolves. Next, you'll answer a few quick questions about your business. Shopify uses this information to customize your experience. They might ask if you're already selling, what you plan to sell, and your current revenue stage. This helps tailor the features you see first. Once you complete the initial setup, you'll be taken directly to your admin dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage everything from products to orders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. A crucial pro tip: remember you're starting with a free trial, typically 3 days, but sometimes longer with special promotions. Use this period to explore all the features without any cost. You won't need to enter payment details until you're ready to launch your store. And just like that, you're officially in the Shopify system. Your e-commerce dream is now underway. If this got you started on your entrepreneurial journey, please give this video a like. What inspired you to start your online store? Share your story in the comments below. For our next step in building your business, subscribe for our guide on how to invite staff to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.